Let's just give it. Just a one-page note, my lord. What is his current medical condition? Just give it fast.
Yes.
Now, my lord, firstly, my lord, he has
Yes,
already.
please.
Yes. Just give it to. Sorry.
We feel that sometime he has to be given, because otherwise, you see, whatever may be the nature of offense, it comes to the health of a convict, the concern is for you and for us both.
I bow down.
Yes,
I
yes.
bow down.
And then in a case of like this nature where he is already undergone going and coming back, going and coming back.
Only 2 minutes.
Yes, yes.
Otherwise,
Yes,
I leave
yes,
it to a lot.
yes.
The difficulty is, there cannot be any denying that he has heart ailment.
Yes, yes.
Whenever he requires, we take him to the naturopathy center of his choice.
Yes.
And I have given the chart
Yes.
on several occasions.
Yes.
That is at page 12. Just have a look. I am not reading.
Yes.
On several occasions, he approaches the court on 14 occasions.
Yes, yeah, that's right.
Right from his incarceration till date. We have taken. Thereafter, on the next page also,
Yes.
there are several applications he makes on this ground for suspension of sentence. That also is rejected up to here. Now, on page 3, I have said that doctors have advised that lifestyle modification is the solution.
Yes.
Avoid extreme cold weather. Continue GDMT as advised. Consult cardiologist. He is not consulting. That's his choice. We can't compel him to do that. The problem is,
yes, yes.
he is not permitting. We took him to AIMS. The Rajasthan government recently, yesterday. He said, "I will not give even my blood."
Maybe that now, man is in the death by, say, whatever it may be.
He is 85.
Let him have his own ways for some time. And we'll give, then we'll come back. Then nobody will blame you and blame us. Then let him go through this.
3 months, my lord.
Considering his age.
Your lordship, is suspending the sentence.
Yes. No, but we are not suspending sentence for eternity.
Medical.
Convicted and sentence.
We are not suspending.
Suspended in Rajasthan is not suspended. His application for suspension is rejected by this court.
Yes,
Only temporary for medical.
Only for medical grounds. I said, let him see. He is in the last leg.
May keep it pending, my lord. Keep it for 3 months.
Whatever you want, we'll finish. Whatever you want, go to the High Court and do.
Yes,
why should we keep it pending?
Yes, my lord. At least for 3
We will
months.
not.
3 months, your lordship.
Yes.
Then he may also cooperate. To naturopathy, the answer would be you stay there, do panchakarma and lifestyle changes.
Just let him.
He is virtually getting released.
No, but you see the conditions. I think.
My
See, let him have some comfort, whatever he wants. Let him have some time. Already, the High Court has given him 10 days time. Just give some more time. He will return, and if anything he wants, we are not keeping the matter pending. Let him approach the High Court and get it done.
My concern is this.
Yes, sir.
I am not going into the merits because your lordships have prevented
Yes,
them also.
Yes, sir.
But being the trial, the man is very powerful. But there were 3 witnesses who were killed.
We are only asking you, say, whether they were killed when he was under incarceration or when he's outside. Whatever does it make, you know very well, we will not say anything on this. And we are not allowing you to go out, and he is not even able to move.
Convicted in.
He will do it from the prison itself.
Go for 1 month under police protection.
No, my lord, that police protection, my lord, is
police
protection. He will not meet anyone.
That you can't say no or yes.
protection, my lord. It means in custody, my lord. I will not meet anybody. My
lord, you don't
except for the
objection,
doctors.
you can have.
But what is happening, my lord? I'll just explain.
Have a chartered flight and fly out of it.
No, my lord. Whatever condition.
Anyway,
my
you showed his
can't be this, my lord, inhumane. Lord, what I'm only saying is this, my lord.
Don't say it.
Yes, my lord. So what I'm only saying is this, my lord. My lord, in custody, what happens, my lord, is that there are 25. That's what the hospital.
You're right. See,
25 people are saying.
we could see.
Policeman, my lord, standing.
Now
outside.
he is in his last legs.
Yes, my lord.
We'll give you some time. But you shall not we will not make any attempt to tamper
Any
with
condition
number one.
what your lordship's
And then-
lords put, I will, my lord, we will obey.
We'll give some time and we are going to keep this matter pending.
Yes, my lord.
You said anything further, you go to the High Court. High Court is the best court to decide.
My lord, just two.
Presence.
No, my lord, I am saying two things, my lord. My learned friend made a sweeping statement that witnesses have been killed. And my lord, it's been filed. Not even in one, my lord's matter, my lord, I am arraied as
All that we will not
and
go
number
into
two,
that.
my lords, whenever my bail application was listed, some witness was knocked out. Who stand to benefit, my lord? There are forces at work, my lord, who want to keep me inside.
We are
So
not
that-
going into all this.
We will not go
My
and
learned
say,
friend
we
made
will
this
not give
statement,
police
that's why
protection
I have
also.
to respond.
We will not give police because he is, I think he is not, he is in a vegetative
Yes,
state.
my lord,
You are
he's in
saying.
a vegetative
Yeah.
state. He
We will
can't
do
use
some
police
time.
urine, my lord.
But no, don't make an attempt.
I'll go down.
We'll just say that.
But my lord, we would respectfully insist for the police protection.
No, why you honestly?
No, no,
Can't-
police protection. My lord, there are, he has potential, he has capacity, he has finances, and a motive to save the nation.
It is
Lord,
last stage now. I don't think-
Conditions may be imposed.
Now, from this, we could see that he is not going to survive.
The High Courts in past, only a minute,
We'll deposit the passport if that's the my lord's apprehension. I'll deposit the passport. Where is the difficulty?
travel.
I don't understand, my lord, how can person travel without a passport, my lord? I don't know how.
I'll make you understand how it can be.
But I don't know, my lord, sir.
All right, we'll do it in between. Police can visit them whenever it's required.
Whenever.
All right.
Kindly have not some police protection.
That we'll
Not-
we'll
I'm not, my lord, contesting,
Yes.
but with sense of responsibility.
Very well. How much time you want now?
3 months, my lord. 3 months.
All right.
Lord, I'm,
No, my lord. Lord, he's in his last stages. 99% blockage in the heart. I don't know even for 3 months he will exist. My lord.
you then go and
All right. All right.
surgery.
We'll give till March
Lord, he
15th.
believes in certain
We'll give,
lifestyles.
see, we'll give till March 15th. And then we are closing it. Whatever order we want.
I get it. But I know certain things I'll not share,
Yes.
but allow police presence, my lord.
Yes.
That would.
All right, you have one police constable to accompany him. That's all. We'll have. Why do you want it? No problem at all. Don't bother, sir.
But when the crowd comes, it.
We are granting it. He
We
will
can always inform.
Yes.
One person is there. with you.
Three would be
We have one.
three armed constables.
We have already made it. We have already made it clear.
Insistence that police my lord makes me.
No, it's all right. We understand. We appreciate that. We
Lord,
only
the
made
reason
it
why
clear
I said,
early
just,
on.
Lord, before Lordship dictate the order, why I said, my lord, no police presence. The Madhavbagh hospital has given a report that, my lord, this man was
One
treated,
person.
25
You
people
You
around.
also have a security for you. No problem. Yeah.
One person is fine, yeah.
Yes, we have heard, in the last, we have made very clear, even the last hearing, that we are not going to consider the matter on merit. Next paragraph. Then the senior council's appealing for the petitioner submits that the condition of the petitioner is precarious. He is 86 years old. That he is suffering from heart ailment with 2 attacks. He is not in dispute.
Only one thing, my lord, I
Yes.
Lord, if your lordships can take my reply.
Yes.
Only for
No
condition.
problem.
Page 2030. But the High Court, when released on bail, these
Yes.
were the conditions.
Yes.
I believe, my lord, personally,
Yes.
these are reasonable conditions.
Yes.
Medical treatment room may be separate, which will help us to provide round-the-clock security.
This was in custody, my lord.
Just a minute. Now also you are in custody only.
Yes.
Who are in custody,
Yeah.
as per the hospital, place is easily accessible from National Highway. Followers may be strictly prohibited to gather in 5 kilometers because he has hundreds of corporates.
Yes.
And they come, you know, they
That let the followers not gather.
media may be prohibited to enter the
That
premises.
also no problem.
And no person or visitor will be allowed to meet the patient.
That the visitors they can meet. Only thing is followers they can say. See, how can we say? Followers they will not. In a group they will not.
Moving around with.
And then what is the other one you
And
said?
that 3 armed constables. We would earnestly request.
All right.
One lordship said one, my lord. My lord, 25 people, my lord,
You
surround.
want your treatment or all these
The
conditions?
reason is not with the police around, my lord.
One or two or three.
What
What is
is
being
We'll have 3 persons.
You want lot of
It is not being fair to the court. What the state does, my lord, from an effective treatment, they say the doctors can't treat him because there will be security scare. That's what has happened in Madhavbagh, my lord. That's a report, my lord.
Very well, sir. This is not matter to argue in contest.
I don't know why my friend is insisting.
If you are
One
they
police constable is there. There's a problem.
what difference between 1 and 3? See, let us not waste of time. What difference between 1 and 3? SG is saying
from
3.
the court, my lord, one, my lord,
Doesn't matter, sir. Let it be 3. Let it be 3. Yes, come.
what is there?
Yes. No, I think the petition submitted that the petitioner is aged about 86 years old and he is suffering from age-related illness, including two heart attacks. He has been taken in and out of the prison repeatedly on more than 13 occasions for treatment.
Effects of the case. This might be used in Rajasthan case also.
So I want to use it. How can that say that?
What is it? What is it?
He can't be outside till I get suspension from Jodhpur. But they want him to die.
It's all right.
I can say. They want him to die, my lord.
Nobody can change that date.
Yes.
Nobody can prepone or postpone that date.
He will be can, my lords. Accelerate. My lord.
Nobody can do it.
It is further submitted.
All destined.
Well, submitted that
I am saying that, my lord. Because
The
this is
High
the
Court
way
is-
the state has behaved in this
we
matter.
heard you both of you.
Well, I want to say a lot of things.
Really, it was submitted that even the High Court has granted parole by taking into consideration of the medical condition. The affidavit filed by the state also would show that treatment has been given for heart ailment. So next, is the appealing for the respondent submitted that though the ailment and the though the ailment is not in dispute, and so is also the age. Considering the facts and circumstances of the case, the adequate security will have to be provided to the petitioner, particularly the ongoing cases. It is further submitted that on merit, the petitioner does not make out a case. Next paragraph. We have stated, we are not inclined to go in the merits of the case. The condition of the petitioner is not in dispute. It is the concern of the state and the court to take into consideration of the condition of a convict. So in such a matter, we have no hesitation in holding that the appellant does require interim bail on medical ground. So, we also taken note of the medical records pertaining to the petitioner, petitioner, and the fact that he was given periodical treatment outside the prison. So next, in such a matter, we are inclined to grant bail to the petitioner on interim ground, on medical ground till March 15, 2020.
The lordship is considered till the end of March, my lord.
You approach the High Court already till the end of March 2025. So this order is passed subject to the condition. The petitioner shall not make any attempt to tamper with the evidence or interfere with the ongoing trial court proceeding.
No, there is no. Every matter is in appeal, my lord.
And then you need not with that. Let cut it off. No? The condition that the petitioner shall not meet the followers en masse. Shall be there shall be an escort of three.
Two people, my lord.
We are both of you
What are
standing on
this argument? Every stage you want your treatment or you want all this?
Yes.
No stress.
the form of
You are trying to
three
make
police
more stress in
officers.
this.
Three police officers. The appeal SLP stand disposed of accordingly.
Just two things, my lord.
Yes.
The police constable will not interfere, my lord, where he goes or my lord takes treatment. Because that's what was happening, my lord. That,
Yes.
that your lordship
make
be
it
kind.
clear that the police personnel will not interfere with the petitioner's
treatment. Yes.
Oh.
treatment or is meeting with any individual concern.
Yes, my lord. My lord, one other indulgence, my lord. Your lordships have not seen the merits of the case. Lordship said you will not get into it. What your lordships may kindly say that your lordships have not touched the merits of the case.
Yeah, said so. Initially itself,
My learned friend said we have no case on merit, my lord, which we say that there is. Lordships may kindly otherwise, my lord.
that is why, see, even at the time of issuing notice itself,
Yes, yes, my lord. I brought
we
up.
have made it clear that we are not
Lordships are
going
not
to.
touching the merits, my lord.
Today also,
Yes.
Lordships are not saying anything on merit, my lord.
You remember, you are not there.
I do.
We told him that the facts have been disturbing.
Yes.
Therefore, we are not inclined. In fact, we premised it only on the ground of medical ground.
Only thing, my lord, since my appeal is pending before the High Court, not consider on merit. It should not be that because I don't have a case, but my appeal will then, my lord.
What is there? What is this argument?
Lord, I am only saying
Yeah,
whatever every word of your
further
lordship
make it
are very
clear.
well aware, my lord.
Madam, I take it up.
So we
So
should
that
say-
make it clear that the observation made in the impugned judgment on merit will not have any bearing in the
Any future,
in a further
any
proceeding,
future proceeding.
Medical
including disposal of the appeal.
Yes, ma'am. I'm extremely grateful. my lord.
We only hope and trust you will survive till the time. Yes.
Lord, may I seek your lordship's indulgence, my lord? Item number 9 was called out, my lord. I was cut off from both video as well as part P mute. So I only request your lordships have passed the order.
Yes.
Kindly take up the application after 2